Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets for better security or more control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store and create one. It's free and secure. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app on your phone or log in to the website on your computer. Head to the dashboard where you can see all your assets. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if it's Bitcoin, tap or click on it to open the details page. Step 3. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is usually prominent. Click it to proceed. Step 4. In the recipient field, enter the wallet address from your Coinbase wallet. To find this, open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the address for the specific crypto you're transferring. Double-check that it matches exactly to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees, which might be displayed here. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 6. Review the transaction details carefully. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor setup for added security. After a few minutes, check your Coinbase wallet to see if the transfer has arrived. It might take some time depending on the crypto and network speed. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable all security features like biometric login. Also, remember that transferring to your wallet means you'll have full control, but you'll need to handle your own private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer crypto in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.